Okay, let's see how we can make this part, this flange, solid modeling of a flange using SolidWorks. So we have a hole here, there are ribs and a hole. Let's see how we can create this using SolidWorks. Okay, so to begin you should have an idea first how to approach this problem, because first, how do you create this? You need to have modeling approach step by step. This is feature based modeling. So first thing to do is make a revolve to make the main shape of this structure to attain this. And the next is to maybe cut a portion from here by taking one plane, and then you'll get this portion because from the full revolve. And the other thing is to change a plane and make such a groove and extrude cut, and finally make the hole. So that's what we're gonna do, and let's see how we can do this. Okay, you open new. Okay, part. So now what I'll do is I'll use the front plane, make it perpendicular to myself, and just sketch. Okay, sketch. First I will use my center, make this as center line, construction, draw straight line, the rough, like that, and then something like this. Okay, now I'll make this horizontal, and then I'll draw again another line here to here. Now I give dimensions. It's fully constrained, so to be fully constrained I'll give dimensions, let's say 80, and then I give again just roughly make 8, equal, I give the dimension about 10, I give this dimension to be just I give this, let's say 50. This dimension is not specified, so 18, fully defined now, and I'll trim this portion, then give smart dimension this. Okay, roughly, oh, so narrow, so I'll make this looks okay to me now. I have to delete this guy. Oh no, I shouldn't. So this is given, I need to keep this. over defined. Okay. If you can't define it, you can define later once you create the shape. Okay. It's over defined. Can define. Okay, we can do this later. Now I have my rough sketch. I need to edit this again. It will not revolve. So trim. Okay. Okay. Now all that I need to do is what? Revolve. No, not extrude. Sketch. Revolve. It already picked the axis. Okay. Now it's getting the main shape, but I don't have the rib, so all that I do is I go back to the edit sketch, edit, so, and make it 90 degree. Now I'll make this curvy. Okay, so all that I do is put arc, I put let's see what it looks like. So put this, I put this, and escape. Okay, and then I'll cut this portion. No, I'll do 3. And I don't even to trim it. I can just make this for construction. Okay, I make this for construction. Okay, now when it rotates, it's gonna give me this nice shape, right? It's almost same as what I want to do. I think. Then the next is to cut the section of that. So what I'll do is look at top right side. I'll take the right side view and make it 90 degree. Okay, now what I'll do is take sketch, just a rectangle from the depth from all the way, so it's roughly from here. I just draw a rectangle. Okay, after that then I'll cut out. Okay, you draw that rectangle and then extrude cut. Select the plane, extrude cut from both sides. It is 2 directions, and then I'll do 5 from each side. Let's say I do 5. 5. I do 5 here too. Okay, so what will happen? I get my groove which I wanted. Now then all that I need to do is pattern. Okay, I can do the pattern later too, because I can select all this and then do the rest. Is next to that I have a circle, right? So which is that ear like structure. I have to extrude. So select the top plane. I can do all the features later. So look at the top, and I will make top plane. Is that the top is the bottom? Yeah. So all that I do is perpendicular make a circle. Roughly, because some information are not given, the sketch should look like uh, as what is given. So I'll do a hole here. Okay. Then let's say it's 5 millimeter, 5 unit. Then I have another arc. I take this guy 3 points. No, 3 point. Okay, I'll pick center. Oh no, like arc with center. Okay, center this. So I'll start from this guy all the way to this. Okay, now it's roughly what it looks like, but I have to make smaller this. Okay, symmetric. Okay, roughly that's good enough. Then all that I need to do is extrude this guy out. See, it's because now you can select region to figure out, because I didn't close it here. So what I will do is, again, I will go to my sketch edit and then make an arc. Three point. I pick this, and I pick another coincident. Now it's closed. Should be closed. Okay. So look at that now. I should be able to extrude. Yeah. So extrude. Now I'm getting roughly what I wanted. So the next is mirror all these both features, the extrude and extrude both. Okay. So the advantage is because I can only modify one of them, and as you see here, this is a little narrow, so I will widen, right? Right click, edit. Instead of 5, I'll do 6. And from the other side, I'll do 6. Okay. Done. It's a little wider, but not enough. But now let me do mirror. Okay. To help, you can just turn on the axis temporary for patterning. So mirror, all that I need to do is not mirror, circular pattern. Okay, axis, this guy, features. Now you will expand here this guy, and you can control this guy. I'll select those. Then how many? 6 of them. So we have 6. So let's see. Yep. So roughly this is what is given. So I'm done. Almost. No, there is one more before pattern I should do. Delete this pattern. I need to cut a portion of it. So, but I can do that later. No, I can do it now. So a portion should be removed. And here's for that. All that I need is to select a plane here. One plane. So feature. Where is it? I need a plane. Plane features. I need a reference plane. pick that reference plane. It's fully defined. It picks that. Okay. Now make it this 90-degree. I need to suppress this. I suppress because I want to see my origin. I want to create here. Okay. Now this is my first, so unsuppress. Now I will cut my portion here. So so what I'm gonna do is already pick this plane, sketch, arc in straight line. So I can do straight line, which is just leaving some thickness. So you see, I can draw a straight line, and I can draw another straight line from the center. Okay, let me draw another from here to here. It's not going to be parallel, so I'll draw a parallel line. So I'll draw a line, okay, here, and I will draw another line which is almost the same distance as the other guy. Okay, this, and then there is another arc between the two. Later on I'll dimension. Okay. Tangent to this, tangent to this. Delete. Arc. Oh. 3 point. This guy, and I'll apply constraint later. Okay. I'll make now tangent. I make this point fixed. Fix. Make this point fixed. Now I can add. I can increase this length. Now I'll make this and this tangent. Tangent. Make this and this control tangent. Okay. I think roughly now I have my dimension. This needs coincident. I get rid of that. I can drag this timer up. Okay. Now you can roughly see my rough sketch. Okay. Oh, I need another one to close. I need an arc. Already edit arc. This guy, and I need one more. Now you extrude cut this. So I will select that. Oh, it's floating. I was supposed to select that. So I will move that plane down. This plane one was selected wrongly. So I will select the definition. I'll make edit definition. So this plane, edit, okay, this plane. Oh, it should be at a distance of 0. Okay, I want on that plane. Okay. Now all that I need to do is extrude cut. not revolve cut, extrude cut. This is extrude cut, and then you go to certain distance, 10, more than that, 20. Yeah, that's enough. See, this is what roughly what the given problem looks like. So now all that I need to do is pattern. Circular pattern, you select this plane. Then 6 of them, that's it. So this is roughly what, oh, the only thing is the hole at the top looks very big, so all that I need to do is edit my revolve. You can edit here. Edit the sketch. No. Edit the sketch, this guy. So all that I need to do is I need to make this steppy. Make it lenticular. Then I need to draw some line from here, move it down here and here, okay? And then all that you do is trim this guy, trim this guy, okay? I lost some of my definition, but it's okay, it's gonna give me a good geometry which I'm looking, okay? So get rid of this the visible thing, get rid of it, get rid of the planes as well. Don't show me this. That's it. Okay, let's see now. Just so this is what roughly the object looks like, okay?